Hey, what's up guys? I hope you're all having a good day. In this video, I'm going to unbox Soundpeats Trueshift2 headsets. I just received them in mail and this is the box, and it's a very simple box. There's not much to it. This is the right side of it, and at the back it's got some of these marking and certifications, and on the left hand side it just says Soundpeats. On the top there's nothing, on the bottom there's a barcode. So these headphones, I have been reading the reviews online and seems like everybody's raving about them. They're very well priced. I got these for only around $50 here in Australia from Amazon.com, and I'll leave in the link in the description if you guys are interested in checking them out. And from what I understand, these ones, they have really good bass and overall very good solid headsets. So I thought I'd give them a try. So like I said, I just received them in mail. So let's open these up and see what's in the box. So by the way, in this video I'm only going to talk about well, the unboxing and some quick specifications. I will do a review video down the track because I want to use them for a few days before I actually make a review video. I don't want to jump the gun. I want to give you my honest opinion about what I feel about these headphones. So just taking the plastic wrapping off. So on top, let's see, oh, they're gonna slide out. So they slide out like that, and where do we go now? Okay, it's the front. Oh wow, look at that. That's pretty nice packaging. This is a foam, like spongy foam. It's packed in there. Let's take the headphones out. Here we go. What's down here? I think that must be the charging cable. Okay, let's see. Oh wow, that's actually a USB Type-C mic cable. So already impressed with that. There's something else in there. Oh, there must be the ear tips. There we go. Oh well, looks like we got wing tips. So we have two sets of wing tips and two sets of silicone tips, and I presume they would already have one set on the headsets already. And then you have your customer care card, charging tips, logo update, and instructions manual here. What's this? On that, I'll put these aside for now, and let's talk about the headset themselves. So the case, it's actually quite a bulky case, as you can compare it to my hand. It's not something that you would just put in your pocket and walk away, because it's almost the size of a bar of soap actually. Yeah, if anything, it's even thicker than a bar of soap. So the dimensions of the charging case are 3 by 1.84 by 1.08 inches. So fairly big. So, and then the weight of the total headphones and this is 6.52 ounces. For that would make more sense to viewers in America, but let me just do a quick conversion. Okay, so I just asked Google, and according to Google, 6.52 ounces equal to 184 grams. So for the people in the rest of the world. Now, if you look at the case, at the top, you got this beautiful looking Supermanish logo. Soundpeats had updated their logo. And at the front, you've got this flap where you have your charging ports. And there we go. So as you can see, it's got a USB input and one output. So what this charging case actually can work as your power bank as well. So you can actually charge your devices by plugging into the USB port here. So that's pretty neat. And as far as I know, the charging case has 3000 milliamp hour capacity, so that's really good. So that would charge any large phone nowadays for like up to 80%, I guess. So there we go. On the bottom, you got some certification on the bottom, and at the back there's nothing there. And there we go. Now let's open it up. Okay, here are the headphones, as you can see. Oh, the lid is sort of see-through. I don't know if you can see my hand through there, but yeah, it's kind of see-through. I didn't know that. And in the center you got your charging LEDs, and here's your headphones themselves. And let's take them out. Looks like they may not be charged because I'm not seeing any LEDs, but they have to be charged. Oh, hang on, there we go. Okay, I just noticed something. These are actually magnetic. Yeah, wow. Oh, that's pretty cool. I did not know that. Let's see. So even if I'm turning the case upside down, they're not falling out because the case is magnetic, and as you can see, the LED lights are coming on. So there you go. I'm gonna use these headphones for a few days before I'll make a review video. And I'll let you guys know what I think of these headphones, if they live up to all the hype that's going on around them. And until then, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.
It's black and white.